Oh,
It's a hot wire in there, Matt.
yeah, right next to all this flammable fluid.
Welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're putting a new master cylinder on the Iron Panda. So we'll have to bench bleed this. As you can see, we're doing it off of the booster instead of in a vise, but it should still work about approximately the same. So the first thing that they tell you to do in the bench bleeding kit is to insert these barbs into the clear hoses on the straight end. So you'll have them like so. They say to make sure you have a clean top up here, and then you want to put in clean new brake fluid. And right to the top pretty much.
Yeah, just
go to the little line there.
Right here. Keep going. Keep it going. That's probably good enough. So fresh and so clean.
Okay, and then we are going to remove this rubber cap here and insert the tapered end into the brake master cylinder. Oh, okay, that fits in there pretty good. Same thing with the other hole. Remove the cap and insert the tapered hoochie bob.
Hoochie bob.
And then they supply you with this nice clip.
I feel like it goes the other way.
I think you're right. Makes sense now. And you stick those into the brake fluid, and I guess that'll be good like that, huh? Doesn't seem to clip onto anything.
It will. Maybe we do have it backwards. Nope, there you go. You just gotta get some more slack out of this one.
What a pain.
Yeah, you want that to go probably further in there so that.
Let's come over here. Slide this
You're already kind of
pulling out of
these
there.
all janky.
That's probably why you only push it in 3/4 of an inch or whatever. Okay, that's in the bowl. That's in there. That's in there. I can tell there's already brake fluid in here.
Yep. She's working. Just needs a little bit of pumpage.
Okay, Matt is going to push the brake pedal in his 3/4 to 1 inch estimate, and I'm going to make sure that the tubes don't pop out and that we don't run out of fluid.
Let me know when you're ready.
I am ready. Well, will look real easy. Alright, let's just let it sit for a minute. I want to see if some of these fucking... Like the air bubbles are rising right now. And then when you like push it in, it just suck all right back in there. So I'm gonna try and let them go through a little bit. Okay, give her a nice, like, real slow as you can. Oh yeah, there's air bubbles coming out. All right, hold it for a minute.
Yep.
I'm gonna put a little more brake fluid in. Alright, go again, but like release it as slow as you push it in. Push it a little bit farther. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, let it release slowly.
Again?
Yeah, do that again. You'll want to keep bleeding it until you have no bubbles in these lines, and then we'll be able to just take that off and put the brake line in. I think I should do the back one first. No, we're in trouble. Okay, so we got the back one on. The front one, we're gonna have to figure out how to bend this a little bit without mucking it up too much. I'm gonna stick. Is there one of them rubber plugs right here? Yep. This rubber plug in there so that it doesn't leak so much. Ooh, fuck me. Here. Yeah, give me a fresh one, would you? Danke. Okay. We can remove all this stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to manhandle this a little bit and try not to kink it. If I do kink it, I'll be replacing this line. Is that pretty straight?
Yeah, I think
Pretty straight, huh?
I'd like maybe a little bit more of a bend in right there.
There we go.
And just use the threads to try and pull it in and bend it the rest of the way, huh?
Yeah. Hopefully if I get her in there. Okay. Pop her out. Oh, I gotta get that fucker straight.
You can push
Let me
it.
see. I can't. If it goes in crooked, it's gonna be fucked. What the fuck, Marshall? Oh, it's a hot wire in there, man.
Yeah, right next to all this flammable fluid.
I mean,
Did you ever test that fitting?
I swear I did. Fuck. Just take it off that one down there and see if I can get it in here, huh? Everything gotta be a bitch. There. Now that might just make it easy. I was probably gonna fucking leak some fluid though. We'll just have to look where these brake lines go and bleed this fucker. She doesn't come out now. Okay. Thanks. Please go in there. Thing you need to know to bench bleed your master cylinder, even if you do it right off of the brake booster, and then if you use a different master cylinder like we did, you're gonna have to bend the lines a little bit. It takes a little bit of cussing, but you'll get there. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and peace out.